Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Evoque. The all-new Range Rover Evoque is the lightest and most fuel-efficient Range Rover to date, continuing our commitment to environmental sustainability, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.